Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Dribbble, how to create a website for your parenting business, easy and quick. First, search Dribbble on the internet. Now enter the site. Uh, Dribbble website is a place on the internet where you can find information and services related to things that last a long time or are strong and able to withstand wear and tear. It's all about the things that are built to stay in good condition for a while. So also we know that you can build this website in just 30 seconds with this AI. This AI website builder can generate an entire website with images and copy in seconds. So first of all, let's sign in. Now create new business. Now enter your business name, Parentin business. Now select your industry and now enter your location and choose your website language. Now click here, create business, and wait a few minutes or a few seconds to generate this website business. So first let's go to the first section. As we know, this is the first section, the header. Here you can edit your site name if you don't like it. Also here you can turn this on, the logo, and upload a file from here. Also you can turn this on and change the label. You can add a link here. You can turn this on, open link in a new page. Also you can manage your social links. Also here you can add a channel and you can select the type of your social link. Now you can add the link of your social link. Now click save, and if you want to add a section, just go here and select any section you want. That's it. Now let's move to the next section. If you want to change this, just click regenerate and it will be regenerated. If you want to change the subtext, just click regenerate and it will be regenerated. And also if you want to add a label here, if you want to add external link here, also if you want to turn this on, open link a new page. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. This is the next section. You can edit it from here. Now this is the image section. If you want to generate it from here, if you want to manage the image position from here. Now let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section, this is this text section. If you don't like the text, just click regenerate. Also here you can change and manage the text. So that's it. If you don't like it, just regenerate it and it will be saved. So let's move on to the next section. This is the list section. You can edit it from here. You can change this. You can manage your display settings. You can manage your image and your icon and your heading and the content, and you can turn this on or off. You can also manage your list items. You can add list item. You can generate image. You can manage the image positions. Also you can generate the title. You can generate the content. Also if you want to add a label here or link, just select the link, the type of the link, and that's it. Click save and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the testimonials section. You can edit it from here and add testimonials. Now you can generate the code. You can generate by who. Also you can here upload a file. So that's it. Let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section, this is the gallery section. Edit and here you can change this. You can generate the image if you don't like the image. Also, if you want to upload a photo from here or from library, or you can just choose it from here or from here. Now let's pick some image from here. I'm gonna choose this for example. So let's save it and let's move to the next section. The next section, the location section. If you want to change the heading here, also if you want to change your business address, if you want to add additional text files, you can add the title or the contents. So that's it. Let's move on to the next section. The next section, this is the contact form section. If you don't like the contact form, you can regenerate it from here. Also, if you want to manage files from here, if you want to turn this on, custom input labels, you can manage this name and email and message. Also, if you want to generate a form success message. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section, this is the footer section, the last section on the website. Here you can change your business name. Also, if you want to turn this on, the logo on, and upload the file from here. Also, you can add additional details. Also, you can turn this on and add a label or add a link. You can also here manage your social links, and you can add a channel. You can add a social link. Just select the type, and now here put your link. So that's it. And I'm gonna turn this off and save this. So before we end this editing of this website, if you want to regenerate the content of any section, just select the content and it will be generated. If you want to generate the style, just select the style and it will be generated. Also, if you want to regenerate the entire section, if you don't like the entire section, you can regenerate it easy and quick. So also you can duplicate the section. You can delete it from here. Click on this icon of delete and it will be removed. Also, if you want to move it up or move it down, so that's it. Let's save this and wait a few seconds to create your website business. So now you can publish your website and get a free custom domain name. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you and thanks for watching till the end.